All right, good morning guys. It's first day in Montana, not opening day. Montana's been open for a while, but our first day. It's actually a bonus day. Got here a day early because we had to beat some weather. So it's a little windy, but we kind of expected that. So that's what our plan is for today. We're gonna drive around, kind of see the area. Like I said last night, Levi's been the only one that's been here before. So we're gonna use today to kind of show all the new guys the ropes and the areas to hit and where to go. So I think kind of the plan is hopefully get Ace his first deer, either a doe, hopefully that's kind of the plan, or if there's a nice buck, let him take a buck. So we'll be out driving around, probably not getting out too much. It is windy. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, so we will catch up with you here in a little bit.
What's up, guys? First one, I think I was the first one up, but I'm gonna be the last one to leave because I got a bunch of crap and I got a kid that I'm trying to get a deer for. So, and I made the mistake, put all my clothes on inside the tent, and it's hot in here. That makes me even slower. First day, it's gonna be windy. I think we're gonna have fun though. We're gonna kill a deer. I'm not gonna say we are, but I think we're gonna kill a deer today. I don't know who, but it's gonna be fun. We're gonna make fun of whoever gets one. So stand by to stand by. And I brushed my teeth today, Mom. If we see something, we can kill it. With the weather coming in, I think today we chose correctly in hitting the road. This might be hey, let's go back for lunch and have lunch and then go explore, and then decide where to maybe sit if we can stay out of the wind tonight type of day, and then come up with a plan for tomorrow, unless somebody has a better idea.
There, yeah, is it?
Oh yeah, your window.
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Straight out. Yeah, that is.
Where?
Two doe.
What kind of doe?
Where?
So one stand right
one's
in the middle
looking
of
right
that
at
dark
us.
patch.
Yeah, that's a muley, isn't it? Down, you see the brown grass bushy stuff. So one of them standing right in the middle of the ears.
That close?
Yeah, and then the other now is just to the right.
There they go.
Whitetail.
White?
Whitetail. It's good. It's a whitetail. Hold on. Same pocket. There's another one off to the left. Two of them.
What do you do? What do you do? A little bit noisy. Two nice little whitetail doe run off into the woods, but that's a good sign. That means they're out, and I'll be filling my freezer pretty soon. that doe straight ahead?
Oh, yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
I think that's probably the ones that ran out and went that way.
Dude, that's
I'm guessing that's what those are over there. Well, that was a bit of a mad scramble. Levi was just talking about how they like to use this stuff in the wind, and we were just sitting here BSing, and there's like 4 or 5 of them that jumped up. So we do have one of them. Shelby has a white-tailed doe tag, and there's a bunch of whitetails, so we tried getting out, but they do what whitetail do, and they took off. Alright, so we're heading back to camp for the afternoon, and just outside of our camp we picked up 2 does and actually a pretty solid whitetail buck. So I think we're gonna go see if it's a buck that anybody wants to shoot, and if not, Shelby always has a doe tag. Problem is they bounced on us, so we'll see. This wind is pretty bad. Right there. Walking up the hill. Right in front of us. Right in front of us. You can see his legs now walking up. See at the top. Move off to the left. He's going nice and slow. Slow. Okay, he's right there. Right there. You see him? I think it's the buck. See his tail flicker? Yeah, that's a buck. I see him. It's a buck. Where? Dude, he's right in front of us. He's on this hillside towards the top. He just went this way. He's where'd he go? Where'd he go? You see him? Did they run or walk? He was running. The buck I saw was walking. I just saw tail. You see him? There, they're right there. He's right there. Ace, do you want to shoot him? Alright, we can. Let's go. Okay. They're up over that ridge now, so let's go down and slowly pop up. Levi, he was at this tree. There's one right here. Yeah, and then he walked up. That's where I saw you pointing. Walked up. You were pointing way there. And then he walked up just over the top of this. So straight. Yeah, but he went kind of this way. So.
camp, we saw some deer off the side of the road, and we were gonna let Shelby get out and shoot because they're whitetail. But then there ended up being actually a pretty nice buck, and so nobody wanted to go after the buck. So I said, "Ace, get out!" Kicked him out. Going. Plan was Shelby shoot the doe if we got an opportunity. If there was opportunity with the buck, Ace would have got him. But we just kept. Went over to the first little rise, and Isaac says, "Hey, there they're at." I said, "Where?" And so I'm looking at the top like they're trying to go over, and it was literally like right in front of us. I overshot it with my eyes, and I'm like, "You're crazy," but apparently I was the dumb one. Spooked them, and then we kind of went up and over the next hill, nice and slowly. They saw us and heard us obviously way before we were even close, and they were tails up, flagging, so they're gone. And where we're at right now, I don't think we're going to be able to get up on top of them because it's thick without them spooking again. So we're going to go have lunch.
So we came back, cut some wood up, set up the tent, and then the wind started blowing, so we tried to set it back up, and then it started snowing just a bit, and now we're going to go back out. So, yeah.
What's up? I don't know if they're quite there yet, but we don't want them to get there.
So, that fence line right there is what
This fence line is the border right here, but as you go down this way,
some of them already.
yeah, but we don't know if that's. Then it goes back this way, the line.
Yeah, so I'm saying. So if they hop that line, are they?
Mm-hmm. They should be.
So some of them are already crossing that line.
Regardless, I say it's 3 o'clock and it gets dark in an hour and a half. I say we get out, even though it's cold and windy and nasty. And I say we go. They're walking towards public.
All right.
And regardless, we should get. If the buck's not what anybody wants, I definitely say that we shoot a doe. Cause
also, what I'm saying though is where would we, like after we get it, we have this car. So where would we put it?
we're gonna cut it up, put it in our packs, and put our packs in the car.
Okay.
It'll be fun. Trust me.
So
I'm ready.
Done it before.
do you think? So just so I understand, are they coming like towards us, or are they gonna go towards the highway?
I think they're gonna go towards the highway.
So we're trying to cut them off by going like that?
Yeah, no, we're trying to cut them off by walking in public.
Let's just,
and then wait
just
for
follow
them.
us.
Just follow us. We know what we're doing.
We got actually a really big herd of deer over here. There's probably at least 20. And there's at least one buck, maybe two. It's hard to tell with this snow. There's still lots of does, and there's 3 doe tags, so we'll get something down.
He's going down!
Just like that. Bucks down. Whose was it? Was it Ace's? Was it? Whose was it? Where is it?
Talking about?
Dude, it's either that or you got some serious shit going on, brother. you got some problems. Dude, where is it?
Where do you think it is?
Am I in the Tahoe?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Whose is it? Was it yours? Yeah. Nice, dude. Ah, that's awesome. Congratulations.
I mean, it's just a little spike.
Hey. Nice. Dude. Oh.
Pull that guy out.
That is so awesome.
Yeah, it's like crab claws.
I know. Dude, that is so sweet. Congrats, man.
Thanks.
That is freaking awesome. Man. Very cool. Very cool.
All right, so that concludes not even really day one, our bonus day. One of the coolest days I've been a part of. You know, we got our new hunter. He's getting dinner. Got his first buck in a blizzard on camera with his dad. It was freaking awesome. If we get nothing else the rest of this trip, I'm still happy. So I think we're gonna all eat up and then head to bed and wake up early, and we're gonna head out to some bureau, or what is it?
BMA type 2.
Block management. Yeah, block management that we have. So it's about a 40-45 minute drive, so we gotta wake up a little early. So we're gonna get after it and eat, and we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow.